Hi there, it's Jodi. Welcome to episode 33 of Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to talk about keeping it simple. Don't miss the easy. Don't overcomplicate things. Now, I'm the first one who loves to just sit and be creative, to pull out all my supplies, all my tools, all my fancy embellishments, and just really be creative. But sometimes I just need simple. Sometimes I just need to get it done, I love to send handmade cards and I want to have them on hand, but sometimes I want that quick and easy. And so that's what I want to share with you today is our Memories and More texture chic card pack and cards and envelopes. If you have our newest annual catalog, it looks like this on the cover. You can find this on page 136. If you're in my online store, just go ahead and do a search for texture chic and this will all pop up. So we've got cards, card bases, and envelopes. You get 20 cards and envelopes, and I'm going to show you these envelopes. They're very cool. 20 cards and envelopes for $12. And then the Memories and More card pack has 50 total cards, and it's $10. It tells you here the colors that it coordinates with, all that good stuff. But I want to show it to you so you can see how awesome it really is. So first of all, envelopes. I am a sucker for some cute envelopes. So this is the back side of the envelope. You can see there's some gold foil there. It's got this fun, it's kind of abstract, but you can see little floral images in there too. So that's the back of the envelope. And then the front has more gold foil. And then of course, this is the flap. So when you fold it down, you've got the gold foil in those two spots on the back, the corner there, and then of course it pops up like that. So there are 20 envelopes to go along with the 20, let me see where I can set those, 20 card bases. So this is the card base. Obviously, when it's folded, it looks like this. So there's 20 of each of those. Now let's talk about the 50 other cards. So some of them are 3x4, some of them are 4x6. Some of them are images, background patterns like this. Some of them have some words. So literally, talk about easy, talking about not overcomplicating things. I can take this card base, I can take this 4x3 card, and I can attach it here, and my card is done. You could just put it on there with the regular snail adhesive. You could put Stampin' Dimensionals on it. If you want to add ribbon or embellishments, of course you can do that. But this is a cute card in a cute, oh my gosh, I'm just trying to grab one envelope here. It's not working for me. Cute envelope, and you're done. It's that easy, that easy. So you can do something that simple. Just take the card that's got the pre-printed words and just set it right on there, and you're good. You've got a card. There's lots of them that have greetings already printed. And what's neat about this too, I don't know if you noticed, like this one has some leaves on there. This one has some snowflakes. So there's cards on here that you can use any time of the year. What's great about this too, it's a Memories and More pack. And what that means is that you can use these really easily in your scrapbooking too. You can use them, to add to your pages, to do little mini albums, whatever it is that you want to do. This is kind of cool too. It's one of the big 4x6 cards. I just put it right on that card base. You can still see some of the fun pattern around the edges. You make me smile. Ready to go, ready to write your message, stick in the super cute envelope, and get out in the mail. Super, super easy. There are also some, like let's say you wanted to use this bigger card and you wanted to put a different one right over it. You could certainly do that, layered on the card base, and you're good to go. Or this is one of the larger cards. You could put that on. By the way, did I say all the cards are double-sided? I don't know if I even mentioned that. So all of these with the different greetings and things, there's something else on the back of every single one too. So you have so many options here. You still can be creative, even though you're not playing with stamps and ink for these particular cards. So I can go like this, and then I could add a smaller card over it. You all have stamps and greetings laying around. You can stamp your own greeting, add it right here to the card. There's all sorts of cards like this. There's also sticker sheets. And they've got, do you see the gold foil on here? Love, happy, thank you, here for you, like all of these little stickers that you can add to your cards. Okay, so I talked about how there's 20 cards and envelopes, right? And I've shown you all these cards, but this is half of the card stack. Here's the rest of them. So there's 2 of each. So that You Make Me Smile card, there's 2 of each of those. So there's 25 different designs, but you get 2 of each. So you get 50 cards total. And of course, more sticker sheets too. So there's so much that you can do with this. You can spruce it up a little bit if you want to. You could add some, I don't know, maybe on these I'd add some linen thread or some simple embellishments. But you can also very, very easily just stick the card right on the card base and have it ready to go. So I just wanted to share that with you today in case you hadn't noticed this yet. Again, it's $136 if you've got the hard copy of the catalog. Otherwise, just put in the search in my online store, Texture Chic, and these will pop up. But really, you've got $22 to make 20 cards with envelopes, and you would have tons of these 4x6 and 3x4 cards left over to make even more cards or to use in your scrapbooks. So there's so much here. I wanted to make sure that you were aware. Don't miss out on the simple. Don't overthink it. Absolutely, there is value in just sitting and spending hours and being creative. There's also value in just getting it done. And that is what the Texture Chic Memories More Kit allows you to do. So be sure to check it out. Check the links and have a great day.